to normal vesicular breath sounds. Note the relatively soft, low-pitched character of normal vesicular breath sounds, sometimes described as a sighing or gentle rustling. These sounds are heard over most of the peripheral parts of the lung. The inspiratory phase is markedly longer than the expiratory phase. Expiration is much quieter than inspiration, and there is no pause between inspiration and expiration. The term vesicular is a misnomer. It arose from experiments performed in the 19th century suggesting that these normal sounds originated in the alveoli, then called vesicles. In fact, modern engineering concepts make it more likely that the sounds emanate from the turbulent flow of air in the lobar and segmental bronchi, not the alveoli. Now listen again to normal vesicular breath sounds.